Oh, funny to see you there.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're different vlog style for you. We're gonna make Gabby's shoulder really sore, so we're gonna work through and see how this goes. But we're gonna be doing a tour of our RV today. Much requested video, so we'll be looking at it when we bought it. It was ugly as hell, so make sure to look at the before pictures, and then we'll show you some of our renovations we did and how it looks now. Beautified version of it. Let's see the transformation. Let's go.
Alrighty guys, so these are the befores. So as you can see, this total grandma style brown is gonna be like everywhere through the RV.
Yeah, I think one of our main goals was to make this renovation not look like every other RV we've ever seen before.
Yeah, no, definitely. I mean, like, you'll just see, like, in the bathroom here and just here, like, the bedroom, it's just so dark, and the brown just kind of reflects onto everything. Like, this white blanket looks brown, almost.
Yeah, definitely not the vibe we were looking for, and I can safely say that I'm glad it does not look like this anymore.
I know, guys. Like, I really want you to take in these images, this gorgeous brown archway, and this total cave of a living room. I mean, all the blinds closed, so dark. It just wasn't an inspirational place for us to be at all. So, this is what it looked like. Okay, now that you've seen the before, we're gonna go ahead and do a little tidying up, open up these windows, and check it out and see what it looks like. So, give us 1 second. All right, we got some windows open. We got this beautiful natural lighting now. So, let's give them a tour.
Let's do it.
Here it is. Alright guys, well that's pretty much what our place looks like. So let us know in the comments down below what you think of our renovation. Do we have good taste, or are we just basic AF? I'm not sure, because Pinterest totally drove the entire renovation on this project. So stay tuned for more videos. I know that we've been so financial heavy in our videos lately, but we're really trying to get more of our lifestyle videos out there. So any ideas for content, drop those in the comments down below too. Give this video a thumbs up, and as always,
I don't know. Subscribe.
subscribe!